that lift up and lift down, honey. Okay? It's giving. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So we are back today with another pre-cut bye-bye knots unit, guys. This one is already pre-bleached and the knots on this unit is very small. As you guys can see, it's a 7x5 closure, guys. So it is a large size closure. Now it came to me in a middle part style, guys, so I'm just going to keep it this way. I did go ahead and co-wash this unit, guys. So I did go ahead and put some African Pride mousse and some leave-in conditioner, no, curling cream in here, just to kind of let it set. So this is what it looks like once it's air dry. It's like I said, it's already pre-cut, so I didn't have to cut a lace or do anything. I didn't tweeze this unit, didn't do anything like that, guys. I literally just washed the unit, put some product in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like on. It's a very simple hair video today, guys, just because it's already ready for you to install. Hence the fact that I did go ahead and co-wash it. But other than that, when it comes straight out of the bag, you just go ahead and put product on and you're good to go. Very, very easy, guys. So it's gonna be a quick install today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Happy holidays to everyone. So let me go ahead and pop this one off and put this one on. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and adjusted the strap in the back on this unit. Oh, it's really, really pretty. So this one actually fits very, very snug. Now I got this one in 20 inches long, guys, because I didn't want it to be too long. Obviously you have to pull and kind of like break some of the cast of the mousse just to kind of make sure that the hair is not like too stiff from the mousse being put in it. So I'm just gonna run my hands through the unit just to kind of soften the curls up. But the unit lays very, very flat, and you guys can see the knots are very, very seamless. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder around the perimeter, but you guys can see that the lace itself is a large lace 7x5, so it's from here to here. So it's almost like a frontal in a way, guys, but without the ear tabs, which you don't really need the ear, I said ear tab, the edges or whatever. You know what I mean. So this is what it looks like straight on like this, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb so I can just spread the middle and then just add a little powder on it so it's kind of flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just trim a little bit of the lace. Even though it's pre-cut, sometimes they leave like a little bit extra that I don't really need around the perimeter. So I'm just gonna trim some of that off so that I don't have to worry about trying to put too much powder to blend. Even though this unit is pretty nice, guys. Once you add a little powder on it, you're good to go with this unit. So that's one thing I like about these little bye-bye knot units, because like they're really nice and simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my bronzing powder on the perimeter just so that it can kind of blend a little bit more seamlessly. And you don't have to go crazy, just tap the powder in there and you're pretty much good to go, guys. Like, look at that. Very simple, simple, simple. And you guys can see close up, it already blends very nicely. And I'm not even gonna do baby hairs. I know there's a good amount of space here where you can do a nice little swig here, but we're not doing no swigs today. We're just gonna not do the swigs. I'm not interested in the swigs today. So I'm gonna add a little bit of wax stick at the top because I'm gonna flatten a little bit on the top. Oh, as a matter of fact, I just need the wax stick. So that's pretty much it. Just to pull some of the hairs at the top, very top down a little bit. I use a wax stick. So that looks good. Hopefully this is right, because I feel like my middle part is never, ever right. All right, I'm using my curling iron just to kind of make this part a little bit flatter. Just makes it, just so that it's just like giving like, flat, realistic vibes, a little bit seamless vibes. Sometimes I touch up the front area here, but I don't really have to do that as much. You guys can see how nice and realistic that front looks like. Come on, no baby hairs whatsoever, so I don't need baby hairs for this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a smaller brush, and then I'm just gonna add some powder in the center of my hair. Just so you guys can see that the parting space looks very, very nice and realistic. And the knots on this unit are super, super small, so you ain't seeing nothing, honey. Where the lace at? I don't know if you guys saw that TikTok where this girl was like, yeah, honey, I still see the lace. It's the illusion for me, honey. That's what it's about. It's the illusion. And these bye-bye knots are giving the illusion. The illusion. So I think that's pretty. I don't like my part to be too like straight with curly hair. If it's like a straight unit or something, you want to get that part real nice. But when it comes to curly units, it's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be nice, but it's not supposed to be perfect. So yeah, so pull these little clips out. Look at that, guys. Look at those beautiful curls. Yes. I feel like I haven't done like a shorter curly unit in a long time, but I'm not gonna cut it too much. I'm just gonna even it out just so that it has like a little bit of a nice kind of even length and fun length for curls. So I'm just, see, that looks gorgeous. I love that length right there. So I'm gonna do the same on this side right here, guys, just to get it a nice, even kind of fun length. And that looks absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully I'm cutting this right. It looks like I'm doing it right from my angle where I got my mirror at. So hopefully that's giving what it's supposed to give. But guys, I really, really love this hair color. It's very, very pretty. And look at that. Just trying to amplify the curling pattern up a little bit. There we go. So I think that this looks really, really good. What do you guys think? And the product I put in is the African Pride Mousse and the African Pride Curling Cream. So that's why you guys can see that the curls look super defined. I feel like this is like a perfect curly red hair for the holidays. Like, it's very pretty, very nice, guys. And it's glueless. Like, look at, let's do that lift up and lift down, honey. Okay. It's giving. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have to change my top real quick to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video. Like I said, fabulous AF, guys. Do you guys not see how cute these curls are? The curls are very nice, guys. Go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront if you want to go ahead and see the products that I use for my curly units. But this one is giving fall, winter vibes, holiday vibes. And like I said, it's glueless AF, honey. It's glueless AF. Comes back down, looks pretty. Like, you ain't even got a wig on. Like, you really don't even have a wig on. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Happy holidays to everyone. Make sure you guys don't miss the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday sales. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.